Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix chlorine for pressure washing. First, always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, such as chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection. Proper dilution is crucial for both safety and achieving effective cleaning results without damaging surfaces. We'll cover common ratios and methods to ensure you're ready to tackle various cleaning projects safely and efficiently. Let's get started with the basics of chlorine types. When mixing chlorine for pressure washing, you'll typically use sodium hypochlorite, often found at a 12.5% concentration. For general cleaning, a good starting point is a 1:10 dilution ratio, meaning 1 part chlorine to 10 parts water. For tougher stains like heavy mildew, you might increase the concentration to a 1:5 ratio. Always test a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility with the surface you are cleaning. When preparing your solution, remember to always add the chlorine to the water, not the other way around. This minimizes the risk of splashing concentrated chemicals. For pressure washing, a downstream injector is ideal, drawing the diluted solution into the water stream after the pump. For smaller, more controlled applications, a simple pump sprayer can be very effective. Ensure your equipment is clean and dedicated to chemical use to avoid cross-contamination. After applying your chlorine solution, it's critical to rinse all surfaces thoroughly with fresh water to remove any chemical residue. This prevents potential damage to plants, paint, or other materials. Always store any leftover chlorine in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area, away from heat sources and direct sunlight. In case of a spill, neutralize it with a baking soda solution or flush with copious amounts of water. Safety first, always.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.